Okay, we have a Hyundai-Wia vertical machining center, model F400VM, serial number G3661-0063. This machine was new in 2013 and it is running. It has a FANUC CNC CONTROL. We're running right now 1500. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. 3,000. It's a Cat 40 spindle. You have a side mount tool changer with 30 tool capacity. That's 5,000 RPM. The table size on this machine is 39.4 by 18.1. You have 31.5 inches of X travel. 7,000 RPM. 30, which is 800 millimeter. 18.1 of Y, which is 460, and 20.5 of Z, which is 520 millimeter. So 20 horsepower spindle, again, Cat 40, 30 ATC. Machine is searching for the tool. It's going to simulate a tool change. And there it goes. All right, machine also has coolant through the spindle, a chip conveyor. We'll do another one. There you go. That's your Z. Your X. And your Y. All right, so you've seen X, Y, and Z, you've seen a tool change, and you heard the spindle run. Hey, thank you for watching our video.